What if the next action camera stops behaving like an action camera and starts acting like a compact cinema tool? That's the tension around Insta360 Ace Pro 3 rumors right now. Not louder specs, but a shift in how footage feels, while DJI and GoPro quietly defend their own evolving playbooks. The strongest rumor surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is a move to a 1-inch class up to 50 megapixel sensor, potentially tuned for more natural color and deeper dynamic range. Compared to the Ace Pro 2's 1.1.3-inch sensor, this would be a meaningful jump in light capture rather than just resolution scaling. Leaked specs repeatedly mention 8K at 30 frames per second with HD R-Log support, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second slow motion. But the real curiosity is not resolution, it's stability under pressure. Current Ace Pro models already deliver strong results, but they can still show signs of heat throttling and aggressive processing in long recordings. Against this, the DJI Osmo Action 6 emphasizes firmware flexibility, endurance, and practical upgrades, offering strong stabilization, better battery life, and 8K support through software tuning. And the GoPro Hero 13 Black focuses on refinement with reliable hyper-smooth stabilization and ruggedness, ensuring consistent performance in extreme conditions without pursuing sensor dominance. That's where Ace Pro 3 rumors become interesting. Additional leaks mention up to 200-minute 4K recording, improved heat management, 16-meter waterproofing, and enhanced AI wind reduction audio. Though not headline features, these changes tackle creator frustrations. Pricing is expected to be around $600, with a potential 2026 release. Thanks for watching. If these leaks hold, Ace Pro 3 aims to out-image both competitors rather than out-stabilize or optimize them. Can Insta360 really challenge them this time? Share your thoughts below.